Welcome to our channel Get Cooking Global, where we share some of the most popular recipes from India and around the world. Coconut macaroons, also called coconut cookies, are a global favorite because of their unique texture and simple ingredients. Hi, I'm Laddie, and today we'll be sharing a detailed step-by-step recipe for coconut macaroons. Crisp and lightly golden on the outside, soft and chewy on the inside, and finished with a rich chocolate base and drizzle. These cookies are perfect for festive baking, gifting, or whenever you want a quick homemade sweet that never fails. This recipe highlights the natural sweetness of coconut, the lightness of whipped egg whites, and the richness of melted chocolate, all coming together in a perfectly balanced homemade treat. So let's get cooking and prepare this global favorite, delicious coconut macaroons, also called coconut cookies. Step 1. Preparing the ingredients. Take 200 grams or 2 cups of desiccated coconut. Take 3 medium eggs, but use only the egg whites. 100 grams or 8 tablespoons of fine sugar. 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. 1 pinch of salt. 100 grams of chocolate. You can either take dark or milk chocolate, whichever you prefer. Half teaspoon of butter. We also need to line a baking tray with butter paper. Step 2. Preparing the coconut mixture. In a mixing bowl, add the egg whites. Whisk the egg whites until it becomes light and frothy. Add the sugar little at a time. Whisk until the sugar dissolves completely.
Subscribe to Get Cooking Global for some of the most popular recipes from India and around the world. Press the bell icon so that you're instantly notified when we upload a new recipe.
Whisk until the sugar dissolves completely. Add the salt. Add the vanilla essence. Whisk well. Add the desiccated coconut. Mix it gently until everything is well combined. Coconut mixture is ready. Cover and set it aside for 10 to 15 minutes. Step 3. Baking the coconut macaroons. Use 2 spoons or a mini ice cream scoop and shape the mixture into small balls of 1.5 inch size. Place them on a baking tray at least 1 inch apart. Once you have done all of them, place the tray in the center of a preheated oven at 320 degrees Fahrenheit or 160 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes or more, depending on your individual oven. Bake until the bottom of the cookies are golden brown and the tops become light golden brown. Once done, remove the tray from the oven. Leave the cookies on the baking tray and let them cool completely. Step 4. Preparing the chocolate. While the cookies are cooling down, start with the chocolate process. We will use a double boiler method. Fill the bottom pan with 2 inches of water and keep it on low heat. Place a metal container above. The top container shouldn't touch the water in the bottom container. Now add the chocolate in the top container and melt it. Now add the butter. Mix well. Cook until the chocolate melts completely. Chocolate is ready. Step 5. Preparing the coconut macaroons. Dip the bottom of each cookie into the chocolate to form a chocolate base. Arrange the cookies chocolate side up on the baking tray For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information. Keep them aside until they are set. Chocolate should dry up completely. Once the chocolate is set, turn them upside down. Add the remaining melted chocolate in a piping bag and make zigzag designs over the top of the cookies, or you can even make straight lines. You can make any design you prefer. Then keep them aside to set. Delicious coconut macaroons or cookies are ready. Your family will simply fall in love with them. These cookies could be a nice addition to your Christmas platter.
Share this video with your friends and family, and do subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.